Okay, so final part, and using a flat brush, crepuscular rays, that's what they're called, I looked it up. So from the point where I intend to have the sunlight there, I just radiated them out really. At the end of the last video, I just rubbed a little bit of salt along the top. I wanted it to look like a flock of seagulls. We shall see. Straight from the tube yellow, because as I say, I've taken this to the nth degree, if you like. Clean water. Just blend that in a little bit more. Now of course, if you're doing your own painting, you can stop when you're happy with it. There you can see now it's totally dried. I've left it well overnight. And with a putty rubber, getting rid of any pencil marks. This also lightens it up a little bit more. You can see where the salt went. That's the effect I wanted to achieve. And I'm rubbing along the crepuscular rays there. You see they lightened up a little bit more as well. All in all, you know, I'm quite happy with this for a first attempt at this kind of thing. When you look at it flat on as we are doing now, it can look a little bit stark. My favourite part, taking off the masking tape. See, that already makes it look better. But you've seen the photograph of the framed finished piece, and it really does alter in different lights. I've left the sound on here, I don't know whether it's right or wrong. Yeah, looks good. So now I'm just gonna nip and tuck, as they say, just with a damp brush, just any bits that are sticking out. Again, using my brush like a pencil really. So we're just about winding up now. I hope you've learned something. As I say, this is the first time I've done a tutorial and sped up the video and done a voiceover. It's hard to know if you still get the learning experience. So feedback would be appreciated. One or two little finishing touches. See, I've treated this piece of paper really badly if you think about it, and it's responded, I think, really well. So there are little kind of bits that need a little tiny bit of work, taking a few bits of muck out. If you squint your eyes now and look at that, you can see the cloud formations. I'm just going to put a few little highlights. An annoying little dark bit there that I've just got rid of. And then in the eyes, just a little suggestion of reflections. So that's my mum and dad's memorial painting. See you again. Bye now.